Hello there! It has been 4 months since I started this YouTube channel, and I'm so glad that I did. It has allowed me to work on projects, to share them with you, and one of my first projects was this flower bed behind me. And I got lucky with the last things that I planted here, which I'm about ready to show you. So stay tuned. Hey guys, it's going to happen today. I am going to put the hydrangea in a pot that I had in the back that my hedge plant just died, shriveled up and died. And I am going to be planting, well actually my husband's going to help dig the holes, planting these 3 boxwoods. It's all planted up, waiting to go into its spot. And I have my husband over here digging the hole. Is it wide enough?
I think so.
I don't think it's wide enough, hun. It looks kind of small. I just added some starter fertilizer to the hole, if that's big enough, so that it'll give it a great start. I think my husband learned that trick when he used to work at a nursery. Is that where you learned it?
Wise.
Straighten it up a little bit. Okay, first one's in the ground. Now we're going to put some fir mulch in and around the hole, because it helps condition the soil. Some starter fertilizer. Okay, it's ready to go in. All right, 2 down, 1 to go. Awesome. Now we have to move the hydrangea to its spot. One more plant to go. Remy, what are you doing? You watching Dad? We have an audience.
That size of that thing. Right.
Is it okay to cut out? I guess so. Yeah, it's not too bad. Oh, is there another one?
Yeah, it's over here somewhere too. Goes down.
Ooh. Can we bypass that one? Oh, I guess
Nope.
not.
It's right in the middle of the hole. It goes down.
It's just like a bull in a china closet. All done planting, and now it's time to water them in. Is there anyone else besides me who leaves out their hose constantly? It's so heavy. It's a heavy duty hose. It's so heavy that I just don't. I'm just lazy, I guess. I don't want to put it up. So I'm just going to give you a real quick tour of my how much my flower bed has changed over the summer. Okay, as you remember, I planted these succulents here. I've had to put up a tomato cage, well, several tomato cages, so that my dogs don't continue to trample them. That's why they're not symmetrical, because my dogs trampled off the leaves. Also, I have something eating on this one, so I believe I'm going to remove these and place them somewhere else. My white wedding hydrangea is doing well and still blooming. My boxwoods are doing well. I've planted some polka dot plants here just to kind of fill in the area for now. I have some sedum that I planted earlier. They're doing well. I really love that color. It brings out the colors in the flower bed. I have some vinca that I've planted that are doing fantastic, along with some petunias and some zinnias. This is a new cordyline plant that I planted. I needed to bring more of this burgundy, dark burgundy color in. I've placed this pot here for now just to kind of fill in the area. And just in case you're wondering, these vines on the fence, these are passion flower, and they have beautiful blooms when they bloom. But we cut that down almost to nothing when we were planting out this flower bed, so it really has grown quite a bit in the last few months. So also my limelight hydrangeas are looking beautiful still, as well as my sweet romance lavender. I did plant some chocolate fountain stone crop, 3 plants in between the limelights. Not in between, but I guess there could be in between. Along with more zinnias. I transplanted this japonica because it wasn't looking like it was going to survive where I had it. Seems like it's doing well. More petunias, and this is new for me this year, the delphinium. It seems to be doing well. I'm not sure if I love the color, but now I know that they will survive and how to take care of them. This is where I got lucky. My husband decided to plant these for me, and as you know, these come in huge containers and it's a lot of work. So he actually planted them for me. Loved it because I didn't have to do the work. This is a white wedding hydrangea. I did find a pot in my own yard. As you know, you may know, we were having problems finding terracotta planters. I asked a clerk at one of the big box stores, and basically he said because of COVID, there's a shortage. So I had a hedge plant die on me, so I just pulled the hedge plant out and used that. And this is the view of my flower bed. See how well those lime green plants stand out. I think I'm gonna have to get some more and put it on the other side. And there's my dog, and she's edging my lawn. But I'm really enjoying this flower bed. As you can see, I have accomplished a lot in the last 4 months with this flower bed. I will post a link so that you can see where I started and where I finished. Not that I'm finished with this flower bed, because you know, as a gardener, you're never finished. You're always changing and transplanting and adding new plants. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you next Monday.